Hi, hello, welcome. Guess what day we're on? Just kidding, I had to look. 17. Are you guys excited? Some books, some cutie mistletoe. Love that. Okay, you guys ready? Ooh. These ones are cute. Again, a really specific shaped candy. Sign me up. I love when they look like what they're supposed to taste like. Yeah, cute. Cherry, adorable. Let's do it. I like. This is another Italian candy. I feel like their flavor profiles are very similar. They're very subtle. They're all like cute as heck. The most beautiful candy jelly. Like, I wish my phone would focus. Like, I feel like these are a lot more elevated than a lot of other gummy candies that I've tried. Like enough to put a mold to imprint it. Interesting, but I like it a lot. Let me know what you think. Day 17. Gummy cherries. Like 1 out of 5. Let me know. Bye.